Hello friends. So in the last video, we saw how to make an API call in Angular, right? So if you have not seen that video, it is in the I button. You can click it and see that video. And so what we will do in this video is we will use async pipe to make API call, right? So here we have written code to make an API call where we subscribe to the response, right? So instead of this, instead of subscribing, we can directly use async pipe. So if you're not aware about what are pipes in Angular, you can click the link in the I button and you will get to the video where we have discussed about the pipes in Angular. So let's start. Let's see how to implement async pipes. So here we have got the response from the API. We have assigned it to the data, right? This is the variable. So when we want to implement async pipe, we do not have to subscribe it, right? So we can remove the subscribe. And instead of this, we can create an observable. So observables are denoted by $sign at the end. And this will be of type observable. So for now, type of observable will give any. And we will remove this variable. And we will assign this API call to this variable, right? So this code will get the data from API and assign it to this observable. Now we have to use this observable in the HTML directly. So here, this is pipe, the same pipe. Okay. Now, to use this data, right, in the whatever data we receive from the API call, we have to use as and given a variable. Okay. So this is the observable, this is async pipe, and then we are giving it name as a as data, right? And then everything works same, right? This data.name, data.surname, data.designation will get populated here. So let's save this. You can see the output. So if I refresh this, you can see that everything is getting populated as before. So this async has helped us to remove the subscribe code from here. Okay? So the data is getting attached to the template directly. You don't have to write any code, subscribe code in the PS file. Another reason to implement async pipe is that you don't have to unsubscribe anything, right? Because what happens in Angular, there's the problem of memory leak. If you make an API call and if you do not unsubscribe, if you do any subscribe in the TS file, and if you do not subscribe it, right, on ng destroy. So another book is ng destroy, and when the component gets destroyed, right, and if you're not unsubscribing, so in that case, memory leak problem happens. But if you use async pipe, when the component gets destroyed, automatically this async pipe unsubscribes the API calls. Okay. So that is an advantage of using async pipe. So I hope you got the gist of what async pipe is in Angular for what it is used. Right? So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.